Okay, your job is the shop vacs. There's on there probably around 6 or 7 of them in the shop. What you need to do is make sure that they're always put back in position. I will show you where those all go. And basically what I want you to do after this check, end of class, when they're done being used, make sure the hose is back in there, both sides. If you want to take this off, you can. This kind of just pops right off here. You can put up on the top here. It's usually a good spot. And you can move it around. Whenever you move these things around, the cords get in the way a lot. I like to actually just lift them up completely. Get this cord out. Try and do this one-handed. I like to try and basically get all the cord off behind you and then bring this over. Put the whole cord, I use one hand to carry it, and then I push it all behind, that way it doesn't get in the way. You need to undo both of these, lift off the cover. Once this thing gets halfway filled up, at most halfway, empty it. You can take this off, it's underneath. This will pop off of here. Be careful when you're doing it. Take this all over, including the actual shop vac. Go to a trash can. You can take this outside if you want to. And lightly shake this loose and flip it. And the more you get off, the harder you can kind of bang it. Be gentle. Don't bend these things. They are just paper. Be somewhat gentle with it. There's still more to go. I'm going to put it back on there, but that's the demo for it. Empty this entire thing. Have a friend help you if you want. Then when you're all done, put this back on there, snap it through. Oh, there we go. Okay, everything one-handed. It's a bit harder, 2 hands, no problem. Put this thing back down. Make sure it is actually connected. Push that down. Push that down so when you lift up on the handle, it stays on. Again, one right here, one right in there. They should look like that. They should be no more than half full. You gotta check the ones under the miter tables. They get filled up pretty quick. There's usually one around here at the router station and lathes. There's usually one nearby at the CNC. There's one here at the sanders. There's usually one sitting here. There's one for the band saws around the corner. And there might be usually one around here for the, there it is over there, for the panel saw and for the table saws. Check all of these, okay? And eventually, once these get filled up, I'm gonna have you also be responsible for this as well. When this gets up about halfway, which is almost getting halfway, I'll help you empty this as well, or I'll show you how to do it at least. Okay, so this is your area. All the shop vacs, they should never be more than half full. And they should never even be left like this, actually. Like, kind of organize these cords. Make sure they look kind of decent. Wrap the hose around there properly. You don't want to just put the hose on the floor, and you want to kind of keep the cord behind there so people can use it easily.